So today we are going to discuss about some of the HTML formatting tags. So here, first one is B. It's used for bold text. So as you already written, you have to save, and we'll show you output. So we got bold text. So bold is used, and similarly we will use some other tags. So next we will see some italic tags. So here already we written certain tags. So next we are going to use strong. So as the bold is used for text should be appear in the bold. So we have written the information strong important text. So we will see, we will save it, and we will check our result. So as you are noticing, any difference is there among both the text? So it looks similar, as bold also, strong also, it is used for bold purpose. Either you can use bold or strong. Similarly, we'll use another tag. So now we are using italic. Already we have discussed about the italic tag. So any changes you will get among. So that I will add, to make clearance, I will use break tag. So that the line will be breaked and it will appear in the next line. So we will check what the output will get. So why I am showing, there are 2 or 3 tags similarly will appear. Either I can use I tag, italic tag, or emphasis text. Both will appear similarly. If I use bold or strong, both are appearing same. So selected combination of alternate tags. So next we will see similarly. So here we have written the 2 text. One is mark, another one is small. So again I will use break tag. So it will appear in new line. So what the output will get? We'll check it. So as already we have discussed about the italic tag and bold tag in your last class. So here you can notice, if I use mark text means it's appear as highlighted text. So the information will be highlighted. If I use the smaller text, no changes. The information, as we can see, this text size and this text both are different. So the text will appear, font size will appear in a smaller. So we are not using 6 here. Similarly, we get the text should be appear in a smaller.
बिग ब्रदर एरिया में कहाँ है ऑनलाइन क्लास चलेगा मार्क.
So we are using mark text. Mark text is nothing but the text will be highlighted. If I use a small means the text will be appear in a smaller size. So as we have discussed in your last class, why we have to use delete text, or here some of the text we are going to see. So what the delete text will appear if I use. So here DL is a text, deleted text. So whichever the text is deleted or the information is deleted, how it should be appear in your browser. We'll see it. So similarly, this type of text we are already seen in your last class. I think you remember, right? Remember? So deleted is nothing but it is showing the text should be crossed. So information what we written deleted, that is appear in this form. So deleted is nothing but the text is information is scratch, or you can it indicate that this text is not important, so it exists as a deleted text. So similarly we'll see some other tags of HTML. So as delete is there, the text will be deleted. Now next we are using INS, insert text. So I will use word in text word. So anything is different, as deleted it appear a line appear in your browser. So how insert will appear? Just I will reload it. So insert text word, it is similar to which tag? So already we have seen this one. So just
Underline.
using the insert text, it's just look like underline tag, U tag. I think you remembered. Underline. It looks similar to your underline text. And next we are going to see some other tags. So here I am using subscript text. So I think you may use this word or here somewhere else subscript. So what is the use of subscript? Or which one we call as a subscript? So as the subscript we are using means sub portion. So subscript where will the information whichever the text is appear. I think you can notice here the normal text is appear in a same lane. If I use the subscript, it slightly appear at the down side. The line is appeared not with the same. So you can see the word is appear here, but subtext is not in the same line. So I will add some other information to it. So it will be clear to you. So as I written, subscript text is appear just below. So I will save it. And I will run it. So as you can see clearly, insert text word and subscript text is appear just below means. So both the informations are not in the same line. Slightly it appear in a downward side. So this we call as a subscript text. One more is there we are using tag. So if I'm using the subscript, here I'm using the superscript, means the text should appear slightly above. So we'll save it and we'll run it. So where the appear is superscript is used for? So where we can use the subscript and superscript, I will give the some other example. By using the word. So slightly instead of using this one, slightly I will add information. So I will remove this information. Just I will put N. Below I will write E. Same thing here. Log. or we'll write 2 to the power of 5. So we'll save it and we'll run it. Now we can write e to the e. Here n I am using as a subscript, 5 I am using as a superscript. So any formula or equations if you want to use, or it should be appear. If I use this subscript and superscript, so it will appear in this way. Previously it appeared some other. Now this is 5 is a subscript, sorry, superscript, n is subscript. So in this way we are using information. So we will add break line to each tag. So if I want to use, the size of the text should be appear in larger size. Which tag I have to use? Ashwini, which tag I have to use if I want to increase the text size? I want to increase the text should be appear in a larger size.
Head tag, sir, H1.
H1. So we'll add H1 to, at the beginning of the bold information, we'll add H1. And we'll close at the last. So all the text should appear in. So we'll save it. And we will reload it. Now you can clearly see. So the first is information is bold text, other strong, italic, emphasis text, mark text, smaller text, deleted text, insert text, subscript, superscript. So these are the different tags we are using for different purpose. While writing in your HTML, we may use by displaying the page information. Suppose if you want to write any article or any other information, you want to display the information, then these are in text will be appear easy. It will be helpful for you to write the text. So as you can, this text is not so important, you can use deleted text. Some text is important. If you want to make it highlight, use which tag we have to use if you want to make it highlight. Which tag we have to use? I am showing you screen. Which tag we have to use to highlight the text? Sneha.
Mark.
So mark text we are using to highlight the text. So these are the some information